Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna pick some guinep. So my brethren, next door neighbor actually, I'm gonna climb the guinep tree and pick some guinep for we. God, you know how long I see people are climb guinep tree. Careful enough. Oh God. This is the country life. This is the country life, people. You want guinep, you just climb the tree and pick it. Be careful, you know. Oh God. Man, the tree loaded again. So nobody no come ask to buy them to sell back. Oh, then so come catch it, Shamona. Catch it and give me some there. Mas Frankie.
Hello there.
What go on, Mas Frankie?
Hello there.
This is Mas Frankie. He's one of the oldest. What you call it? Butcher? Wait. Me catch that one there. Me try to catch it.
Bye.
Mas Frankie, what you do? You kill you can't see your face.
Run again, look sideways and look front.
Turn to the camera, Mas Frankie. How you do again? You used to kill
Hagam wood and
you're one of the oldest butcher in the parish. I'm my oldest one around here, not true? How old you be, Mas Frankie?
80 years.
Almighty, 80 years on the earth.
Well,
Make sure when you go on the road, na Mas Frankie, you put on your mask or something. Okay. Oh, God, you have to go get one next mask.
Walk with the package.
You get them just a waste.
You not sure you not see.
So what kind of animal you used to kill now, Mas Frankie? You know you kill hog.
Goat. Any one of them.
So you still do it?
Cut out seeds here.
What you used to do?
Cut out them seeds. Alter hog. Alter goat.
So you still do it?
No, me stop. No.
Okay.
The 2 years ago.
You used to go all over the parish and do it for people.
All about. You know, just myself, till I'm 5 and 6 years old.
Thanks. See some guinea here, people. Sorry. Stop, Mas Frankie.
All 5, 6 years old, I just transfer the man time.
5 and 6 works on the morning time.
Goat. I had on Friday.
Eh?
I got another beat me like you had.
Oh, yeah?
Huh? But right now, oh, you mean, pick if you can't pick it, man. I'll drop, no, I'll drop.
See the guinep, them here people with their country and we are pick. Guinep!
How long do you see pick
You taste one of them. Nice? Well on. The man a come down out of the tree now. Yes, people see them. Guinep. Them one are kind of tangy still. They're not so nice. So in our countryside and we eat some guinep in the morning, you know. I'm gonna share it with all of my viewers and subscribers them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet and turn on the post notification bell. Alright? I'm gonna go back to my washing now, so later.